We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Exquisite Gaming Star Wars Darth Vader, original mobile phone and gaming controller holder. This officially licensed Lucasfilm product is designed as a heavy-duty PVC statue standing 8.5 inches tall, styled after the iconic Darth Vader character. It serves as a versatile device stand capable of holding most handheld electronics, including gaming controllers, phones, business cards, TV remotes, and ebook readers. The figure comes with a sturdy pedestal base to ensure stability, preventing tipping over even when holding heavier items. This collectible is a great gift idea for Star Wars fans and gamers looking to add a functional and decorative piece to their setup. Users consistently praise the quality and design of this product. The painted finish and detailed sculpting capture the essence of Darth Vader, making it a visually striking addition to any desk or entertainment area. Many reviewers mention how cool it looks on their PC desks or in front of gaming consoles like the PS5. The figure's weight and base provide solid support, which is important for holding controllers securely. Some users note that it holds controllers perfectly, while others mention that the controller may not sit completely straight, though this is generally not seen as a significant issue and often attributed to personal preferences such as OCD. Functionality-wise, the holder is appreciated for its versatility. It can hold phones comfortably, allowing users to FaceTime or watch content hands-free, which adds to its practical value beyond just being a controller stand. However, some users point out that the hand position of the figure makes it less ideal for holding larger phones or tablets. The holder excels most with gaming controllers, especially for PlayStation and Xbox devices. It is also noted that the product does not come with charging cables, despite some expectations, but this is not a major concern for most buyers since many already have multiple cables at home. The product is well received as a gift, with multiple customers sharing stories of friends and family loving the holder. It is considered a perfect collectible for Star Wars enthusiasts and gamers alike. The packaging has received mixed feedback. While generally adequate, some packages arrived damaged. Nevertheless, the figure itself was intact and in good condition. The manufacturer recommends this product for ages 15 and up, aligning with its collectible and gaming accessory nature. In terms of size, the dimensions are approximately 9.1 by 5.4 by 6.4 inches, making it a compact yet noticeable piece. Weighing about 1 pound, it balances sturdiness with portability. The figure is made in China and carries a high customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from nearly 3,000 reviewers, reflecting widespread satisfaction. Overall, the Exquisite Gaming Star Wars Darth Vader holder is a unique blend of function and fandom. It enhances any gaming or tech setup by providing a dedicated space for controllers and phones, while also serving as a collectible figure that celebrates Star Wars culture. Its quality, design, and practical use make it a worthwhile purchase for gamers who want to keep their devices organized and display their love for the franchise. We recommend this product to anyone looking for a stylish and sturdy controller or phone holder, especially if they are fans of Star Wars. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. May the Force be with you.